Next item on the list. And don't worry, they're not all going to be, kitchen gadgets. 936 watts. This is an espresso maker. Looks like it's pretty much ready. I'm going to put a cup underneath. I'm not going to waste an espresso. It's too late in the day to drink. Close this. And hit the button to start. Very, very hard to see. 6 watts. Doesn't make no sense. Did I turn it off? Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Whoa, it's having some trouble there. There it goes. Just rattling. 900 and 1,000 just shut off. I know I'm to lose my... Done. Still drawing 900 watts. Down to 92%. Alright, we can cook, we can make coffee, we can make espresso. Alright, I don't have too many kitchen gadgets. This next one should be interesting.